If you have any business, any money, any savings with AMP, or you know somebody who does, this video is for you. Soon we might witness the end of AMP. The question is, should you stay or should you run away? My name is Katherine from About Retirement, and my goal is to help you create your financial security, wealth for the best retirement you can have. AMP must be the biggest casualty of the Royal Commission, with more breaches discovered in AMP conduct than most other financial institutions. AMP lost hundreds of advisors and financial planners. Many policyholders have left the company, not to mention the disastrous performance of AMP share price that has been sliding in prices from $6.40 in 2015 down to $1 in March 2020. And then suddenly last Friday, on 30th of November, AMP share prices went soaring some 20% on the news of takeover bid from US private equity giant Ares. The surprising thing is that Ares is interested in buying the whole AMP business. The stellar AMP capital, just about the only part of AMP that works and has been providing Australians with some great performance as one of the leading fund managers. But Ares is willing also to buy the problematic wealth part of the business, which is the rotten part of AMP, that part that the Royal Commission has had so many issues with. Most certainly, this is not a done deal. It may or may not go ahead. But if you have any business, any savings, any money with AMP, you should really be aware and prepared to make some solid decisions, as it may impact stability of your financial future. So what you as a shareholder or policyholder should do? Well, the issue here is that should the takeover go ahead, you as an investor have no idea what Ares will do to AMP business once they purchase this. Will they keep it and continue? Will they cut it into pieces and sell it off bit by bit? So what will be the impact on you as a shareholder? Well, considering a terrible share price history and performance, this is probably one of the best news you've had in many, many years. Your choice is, do I sell my shares now and get out with slight increase or in the price of really a lost stock? Or do I take my chance, wait it out, what will happen with the takeover? This is where, unfortunately, you are taking your risk. And please don't count on any solid advice, because there is far too much of the unknown. If, on the other hand, you have any type of policy or superannuation or the savings plan or even insurance with AMP, then I think you are really running risk of possibility of ending up with some foreign company that will be making decisions about your money and your savings. My recommendation is review your policy, review your superannuation, get independent advice, understand your choice, and don't wait, because the wait might be very much to your disadvantage. Especially if you are coming closer to your retirement, or maybe you've already retired, don't take any chances, but start acting now and find out your choices now. You don't want to risk your entire life savings for the unknown transaction outcome of AMP. If you are unsure what to do, feel free to contact me. If you don't know me, my name is Katherine from About Retirement. I'm a certified financial planner, and I'm happy to have a chat and assist you. All my contact details are listed in the description below this video. If you want to find out more about me, visit my website aboutretirement.com.au. I hope you found this video beneficial. If so, please share it, as this information may help your friend or a member of your family, as there are really a lot of people that will be impacted by this change if they don't act in a timely manner. Also, feel free to leave a comment or a question below my video. I really wish you very happy investing, and I will be speaking with you in my next video. All the best. Bye.